channel, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all new videos, and don't forget to share and like my video. Today's cue card is describe a foreigner who speaks your native language Hindi very well. Points need to cover in this cue card are who this person is, where he or she is from, how he or she learns Hindi, and explain why he can speak Hindi well. Vocabulary which is used in this cue card is: first word is superficial. It means deeply, confab, engage in informal private conversation, well versed, highly experienced, spurred, encourage for an activity, piece of cake, easily achievable, open mouthed, surprised, acquainted, familiar. As proud as peacock, extremely proud, wide-eyed, surprised, by and large, mostly, chew the fat, chat in a leisurely and prolonged way. Let's start the cue card. Learning a new dialect is not a piece of cake, but with determination and regular practice, anyone can master it. When a foreigner speaks Hindi, I am always left open-mouthed. Now, I am going to talk about one of my Canadian friends who is well versed in my native language. I met her in my college. As she was an international student, my friends and I were super excited to have a confab with her. I remember when she used to see us talking in Hindi, we used to teach her a few basic words in the language, such as greeting, asking about well-being, speaking highly of someone in Hindi, and many more. In the beginning, she always understood superficially. With the passage of time, she became so acquainted with the language that she started speaking broken Hindi. About a couple of months ago, she attended a workshop held at our college, in which she learned some grammatical concepts of the language. When she was lacking self-assurance initially, we all insisted her and spurred her on. Now, she has started speaking Hindi fluently. Though her accent is slightly different, by and large, she chews the fat with us in Hindi only. Recently, she blew everyone's mind with her way of speaking. Everyone was wide-eyed at her, especially other college students. Even the chief guest patted her on the back. All in all, I feel as proud as peacock for her dedication and efforts to speak Hindi.